Hi friends, I am Rukshana Begum. Today I will discuss with you what is the Indian Constitution. Let's see. First of all, I want to tell you why did the Indian Constitution begin. Let's start. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was adopted. The Constitution replaced the Government of India Act in 1935 as the governing document of India. That's why we celebrate 26 January every year as our Republic Day. 26 January was selected because it was on this day in 1930 when the Declaration of Indian Independence was proclaimed. What is the Indian Constitution? A constitution is an aggregate of fundamental principles or established precedents that constitute the legal basis of a polity, organization, or other type of entity and commonly determine how that entity is to be governed. Now we will move on to the next topic. What are the types of Constitution of India? Here we are talking about two types of constitution. Number one, written constitution. Number two, unwritten constitution. A constitution can be classified into two types. Number one, on the basis of its physical form, a constitution can be classified into written and unwritten. Number two, on the basis of the amendment procedure, constitution can be classified into rigid and flexible. What is written constitution? An example. A written constitution is single formal document that describes the arrangement of governance in a country. It is framed in a systematic manner, usually by a representative body called the Constituent Assembly after many deliberations and discussions, and therefore is also unknown as codified constitution or enacted constitution. Examples are American Constitution and Indian Constitution. What is unwritten constitution and example? An unwritten constitution is not written in a single document. It is derived from a number of sources that are part written and part unwritten, including conventions, traditions, customs, acts of parliament, and the common law, and hence is also called a cumulative constitution. It evolves over a period of time and therefore is also known as an evolved constitution. Examples are British Constitution. I will discuss the next episode with you in the next video. Subscribe and share on my YouTube channel.